Did you know one man escaped from two different maximum security prisons using the exact same method? Pascal Payet didn't tunnel out. He didn't bribe guards. He called in a helicopter. In 2001, a hijacked chopper landed inside Luyen's prison and lifted him straight over the walls. 3 years later, he did it again at Grasse. Same sky, same exit. French authorities were stunned, then embarrassed, then forced to issue no-fly zones around their own prisons. Payet didn't just escape twice. He exposed a vulnerability nobody thought to protect: the ceiling.